Are you tired of depending on medication to manage your blood pressure? What if I told you that your body can naturally regulate it if you give it the right nutrients, manage stress, and support your blood vessels? High blood pressure isn't just genetics, it's a sign that your body is under strain. Stress, tension in your arteries, excess sodium, cholesterol buildup, and nutrient deficiencies can all drive your blood pressure higher. But here's the good news. With the right foods, vitamins, minerals, and lifestyle changes, you can reduce pressure naturally and support your heart, kidneys, and blood vessels. Tip number 1. Support your blood vessels with nutrition. Key nutrients like choline, vitamin C, vitamin E, lysine, and proline strengthen blood vessel walls, making them more flexible and less likely to burst under pressure. Choline, found in lecithin, protects your capillaries and eases stress on your heart. Vitamin C and vitamin E prevent vessel damage and support oxygen delivery, reducing the need for the body to raise blood pressure. Tip number 2. Balance your electrolytes. Sodium and potassium work together to control fluid in your cells. Too much salt and too little potassium cause water retention and high blood pressure. Get potassium from leafy greens, cooked vegetables, fruits, and supplements if needed. Magnesium helps your cells retain potassium, further protecting your heart and vessels. Tip number 3. Reduce stress and tension. Stress contracts tiny muscles in your arteries, raising blood pressure. Emotional stress can create persistent hypertension. But expressing emotions, relaxation techniques, and mindful practices can lower it. Also, a diet rich in vitamins and minerals supports your body in coping with stress. Tip number 4. Support your body's natural repair mechanisms. A key molecule called copper peptide GHK-Cu is a signaling molecule that tells your body to repair tissues, including blood vessels, kidneys, and scar tissue. As we age, levels of GHK-Cu, the copper peptide, naturally decline. Without adequate copper peptide signaling, tissue repair can slow, stall, or not happen efficiently, leaving damaged vessels and organs in a weakened state, which contributes to ongoing stress on the cardiovascular system. Supporting copper peptide GHK-Cu in your body helps maintain flexibility in tissues, supports circulation, and promotes natural repair processes. For those interested, LifeWave Patches X39 are a method that may help elevate levels of copper peptide, the GHK-Cu, supporting your body's natural repair systems. Many people think high blood pressure is permanent. It's not. With proper nutrition, stress management, and natural repair mechanisms, your body can recover and thrive. Managing blood pressure isn't just about medication. It's about working with your body, rebuilding vessels, supporting your kidneys, and balancing nutrients naturally, safely, and effectively. If you want a personalized plan to lower blood pressure, rebuild your blood vessels, and improve overall wellness, book a free 30-minute consultation with me. Limited spots are available.